Over the last decade, NOMOS Glashütte has broadened its range, approaching the task of creating watches for different uses, but with its typical style. For all that NOMOS Glashütte has a reputation for producing carefully composed watches, all powered by the brand's in-house calibers and crafted along minimalist, Bauhaus-inspired lines, aficionados are well aware it offers more than one mode. There's a Nomos for your every need, and indeed, every outfit. Covering the business end of things is the Nomos Metro. Designed by Mark Brown, the dial is reminiscent of vintage instrumentation, really tying it to the world of work. It's those tapered hands and clear minute markers, but also that signature mint green and red power reserve indicator that sits jauntily just off-center. That design element is echoed in the hour indexes that dot the dial, a key part of the watch's identity. Launched in 2014, the Metro was the first watch to utilize the brand's own swing system escapement in the in-house DUW 4401 hand-wound movement. It's distinctly urban in character, the clue's in the name, and doesn't feel quite as formal as a Tangente or a Ludwig. Right at home in our increasingly shape-shifting workplace environments, and at a mere 37mm wide, it's a versatile choice that will suit whatever you wear for work. If your to-do list is all ticked off, out comes the Nomos Club Campus in midnight blue. The Club range is Nomos's most casual style of watches, thanks to this thick bezel, simple, robust case, and bigger, bolder dial typography. The luminous hour markers carry a very subtle edging that matches the minute numerals and rose gold hands. Of course, the main point of interest on the dial is the combination of Roman and Arabic numerals, sometimes called a California dial. Thanks to its more emphatic lines and unique color palette, the Club Campus works well with a more casual wardrobe, whether that's thicker fabrics and layered outfits in the colder months, or paired with a t-shirt and shorts. Key to that versatility is the blue textile strap, which on a practical level is comfortable and hard-wearing. A solid rest choice, however you choose to do so. When the out of office is on and the great outdoors beckons, the Tangente Sport Neomatik is capable of handling more demanding environments. A relatively recent release from Nomos is one of the brand's first watches equipped with a metal bracelet, which offers an entirely different look and feel. You'll notice that the bracelet is a far cry from your typical set of sturdy steel links. It's thin, slinky, and reminiscent of late 70s designs. Like the Club Campus, this watch is powered by one of the brand's in-house automatic movements. That's what Neomatik means. Also akin to the Campus, it's a Nomos with substantial water resistance, which means resistance to dust and dirt too, wherever your adventures take you. The Tangente Sport Neomatik is testament that you don't have to have an oversized, burly watch to go diving. It's only 11mm thick and 42mm wide, and retains the same crisp lines as the Tangente from which it's descended. Thanks to the screw-down crown and solid case construction, you can trust it to survive at great depths. Contrast to the utilitarian case and bracelet comes once again in the dial detail. There's plenty of color here, from the light blue hand inserts to the yellow hour markers and the red text for the depth inscription. Both are coated with superluminova, ensuring that the watch is fulfilling its brief as a practical, go-anywhere timepiece. Choosing a 3-watch Nomos collection that covers work, rest, and play really underlines the adaptability of these timepieces. Such are the brand's design principles and consistent commitment to form and function that this collection is almost interchangeable. The Metro makes a great casual watch, and neither the Tangente Sport or Club Campus would look out of place in the office. The brand isn't afraid to ask, why can't our 300-meter dive watch also look smart enough to wear out to dinner? It's a tricky thing to get right.